In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see deleted tasks on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you would like just to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser to be possibly working for you. So of course, then you would like to go and open the browser. Of course, go here to the URL section and type asana.com and then just hit the enter button. So of course, when you do that, this will actually be your home or your main screen. And first of all, before start using the website, you would like to log in into your account. But if you already have an account, as I said, you would like to log in into your account if you have an account. But if you don't, you would like to go and create your account. You can even create it with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, right? Anyway, so after creating your account or logging in into your account, that will actually be your home or your main screen. And of course, if you want like to see your deleted tasks, so first of all, you will need to have some tasks, so you can just go and create them from here, or even projects. Your projects or tasks, you'll find them here in your workspace. So if you click at one of those projects, you'll find here some tasks. If you don't have any tasks, you can even add them from here. So of course, if you want to delete first of all some tasks, just go here to this task as an example, right click on it, or just go and click on it. You can even right click or left click. So if you right click, you will find this option, you can delete a task. If you left click on it, you will find this option, you can click here at the three dots and click at delete a task. Or we have the third option, which is just click at the task, then click at tab and backspace. And as you can see, these three options, like as you can see, deleted my tasks. Sorry, so of course you can even undo this option by just clicking it undo here, which will actually give you the tasks back. Or or how you can see actually your deleted tasks. So for you, if you're actually using the application, not the website, you will find here an option like below this workspace called favorites, and then you will find a deleted item right there. Of course, when you click on it, you will find actually like the deleted task that you deleted. You can either like deleted them permanently, or you can recover them from there. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.